this adventure. Oh, I think I get the temperature. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I think it was like 58 Fahrenheit. We'll call it 58 Fahrenheit. I forgot to get these Celsius. I'll put on the video though. I really do. I got the wrong leash on the wrong dog here. Different colors. She takes the orange one, and anyway, that's fine. Oh, good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Once I ain't working too well, I might go back to the old ones. Yeah, these are a bit crap. They are. One I bought from eBay it lasted, what, 9 months? Each side wound it up. I can't take these apart. I can't put them back together. Anyway, probably missed a day of video because I was busy moving some stuff to my apartment. And I gave my riding lawnmower to my son, some toolboxes and stuff, because I won't need it in the apartment. I gave him a lot of stuff. The little trailer that runs behind the mower. Yeah, I'm about to get rid of this thing here. These things are crap. Oh. It's always the same color that don't wind back. I don't know why. Turn this other light too. Oh man. I got my jacket on. Woke up a little chilly. Yeah, I thought about selling some stuff, but the kids told me to sell this stuff, and I said, heck with it. I'm not worried about it. I'll be just fine. Good puppies, good puppy. Good Lucy, I mean. I thought he was going to pee too. Yeah. Okay, come on. Oh, yeah. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. I did cut my grass before I gave it away, so. He always wants to pull against me. Oh. Ready to go in the house? I think I'm going to give you guys a shower tonight. Come on, this morning. Barkley. God, don't be so stupid, dog. She smells everything. She don't even smell the poo-poo. That didn't pick up yet. Okay. Let's go in the house. Come on. Darn card here. I don't know what I want to do with it. Thanks to folks for walking, so thank you, folks. We appreciate it. Let me take the flashlight off my wrist here. Oh, not. I put the flashlight on my wrist. I can't get it off. There you go. Oh. I didn't want to get up this morning. Thanks for watching, folks. Next time later.